This is the multimeter. We can put these over here for connections to the lids which we want to use. While putting it on, put this on, and we can measure whatever you want. That's the DC voltage which can be measured if the knob is here. So the knob, you keep it here, then DC volt. If you keep it here for logic, then for frequency, diode, for different resistances. Then we have over here for PNP, NPN junctions to check whether it is a PNP or NPN type, the transistors. Then we have the DC current, AC voltage, AC current. For that, we have the other two knobs. This is for the capacitance. So if you shift the knob over here, that's for the capacitance, and similarly for the others. So that's your multimeter.